How to do sponsored ads on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, a couple of things you need to remember before you do these sponsored ads is that you need to have a professional account, either creator or a business account. Once you have done that, make sure you have a profile picture because you're not able to do this if you do not have a profile picture uploaded. Now, after you have made sure both of these things are done, you simply want to tap on the post that you want to do these sponsored ads for. Now tap on the boost post option. Now you want to select a goal. So there is more profile visits, more website visits, more messages. I'm going to select more profile visits, then tap on the next option. Now here you have the special ad category, you have the automatic option. So in automatic option, Instagram targets people similar to your followers. You also have nature, and then you have creator own. If you tap on creator own, you can manually select your target audience by entering the audience name, location, interest, age, and gender. I'm just going to leave it to automatic. Now tap on the next option. Now you can select your budget. So if you put $2 daily, then your estimated reach is going to be 540 to 1,400. Now, in the same way, if you increase your budget, the reach is also going to be more and more. So you can select the budget according to your own plan. Now, you also have the option for duration. If you tap on run this ad until I pause it, then it's going to be running automatically before you pause it. You can also set the duration. So let's say you want to run the ad for 4 days, then it's going to be running for 4 days. Now tap on the next option. After this, you need to review your ad. So you can check out the total spent amount from here as well. Now you need to add a payment method. For that, tap on add payment method option. Now you can select the payment information. If you have debit or credit card, select that. If you have PayPal, you can select that also. Now tap on the next option. Now you need to enter your credit or debit card information such as name, card number, expiry date, CVV number, and all the other information as well. Now tap on the save option. And once you have verified the payment method, your sponsored ads will now be running. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.